In pursuing global dominance, the rivalry between the US and the Soviet Union resulted in both nations investing heavily in military technology. The United States used Area 51, a place of intrigue that houses a group of brilliant scientists working on groundbreaking research. Their creations, unstoppable UFO-like aircrafts, hold the world's attention. This project redefines aeronautical engineering, defying the laws of physics and wielding futuristic weaponry. The Pentagon confirms the existence of these mysterious machines, blurring the line between science fiction and reality. What makes these next-generation aircraft superior? Are they ready for battle? Join us as the U.S. Air Force tests its new UFO technology. During the Cold War, the United States was known for developing unconventional and peculiar-looking aircraft that often sparked confusion, with some mistakenly identifying them as alien spacecraft. This era saw a relentless pursuit of military dominance, driving rapid advancements in aviation technology. Area 51, situated in the desolate Nevada desert, embodies this secretive chapter in U.S. military history. The base's clandestine activities have fueled many conspiracy theories and covert research projects. While modern satellite technology has revealed some insights into its layout, the true nature of Area 51's facilities remains veiled in secrecy, protected by stringent security measures. This facility houses the United States Air Force Base at Groom Lake, renowned for its isolation, electronic surveillance, and well-armed security teams. Area 51 features extensive runways, spanning up to 12,000 feet, and is surrounded by two restricted military zones. The Nevada Test Site, where nuclear weapons were tested from the 1950s to 1990, and the Nevada Test and Training Range, covering over 2.9 million acres, and crucial for military testing and training. During Cold War tensions, the U-2 espionage plane became an iconic symbol of intelligence gathering. Equipped with a Pratt & Amp Whitney J-75 turbojet engine, this remarkable aircraft could achieve altitudes exceeding 70,000 feet, soaring above the reach of enemy radar systems and surface-to-air missiles. While it may not have been exceptionally fast, its endurance was its standout feature, enabling it to cover vast territories during single missions. The Pratt & AMP Whitney J-75 turbojet engine provided the U-2 with the necessary thrust to reach staggering altitudes, allowing it to operate in the rarefied stratosphere far beyond the detection capabilities of adversaries. Its primary mission involved conducting aerial reconnaissance deep within Soviet airspace, often over sensitive military installations and territories. While speed was not its primary focus, the U-2 was more than capable of eluding potential threats. Its endurance was a key asset, enabling it to stay airborne for over 10 hours without refueling and even longer with external fuel pods. This extended loiter time was crucial for covering expansive areas and capturing valuable intelligence through its sophisticated onboard cameras and sensors. Despite primarily relying on stealth and evasion to avoid enemy encounters, the U-2 did possess self-defense mechanisms. Notably, it could release electronic countermeasure devices, such as ECM pods. These pods emitted electronic signals designed to jam or confuse enemy radar systems and surface-to-air missiles, protecting its perilous overflights. The CIA's Project Aqueduct led to the selection of Area 51 as a covert testing location for the U-2 due to its remote and ideal features, including a dry lake bed for a natural runway. The United States Air Force also initiated Project 1794, aiming to create an innovative aircraft capable of vertical takeoff, landing, and high-speed flight. This project sought alternatives to traditional aircraft configurations, envisioning a flying saucer-like vehicle with vertical and horizontal flight capabilities. Avro Canada, a subsidiary of the British Hawker Siddeley Group renowned for its aviation expertise, was selected as the contractor to develop the revolutionary aircraft. The collaboration between Avro Canada and Hawker Siddeley aimed to leverage their combined technical capabilities and resources to achieve Project 1794's ambitious goals. At the core of Project 1794 was the Avrocar, a disc-shaped aircraft resembling a flying saucer. This unconventional design featured a central cockpit and a circular platform for lift and thrust generation. Jack Frost, a British aircraft designer, led the development of the Avrocar, drawing on his experience in experimental aviation projects. The Avrocar's design incorporated several key features, including a supersonic, disc-shaped fighter concept that aimed to achieve speeds of up to Mach 3.5 at altitudes of 100,000 feet. However, challenges arose in developing a reliable engine, with initial attempts yielding dangerous results, such as engine fires. To test the concept, a smaller prototype of the aircraft, known as the Avrocar, was built with specific hovering and payload capacity requirements. Unfortunately, the Avrocar underperformed, struggling to lift off the ground due to its weight exceeding its lift capacity. Furthermore, the Avrocar faced stability and control issues, as its circular design posed significant aerodynamic challenges. Noise generated during operation and susceptibility to sonic resonance were additional concerns that impacted its military utility. Initial testing of the Avrocar took place at the Avro Aircraft Plant in Ontario, Canada, chosen for its remote location and well-equipped facilities. However, the results were discouraging, leading to modifications and additional testing. Despite efforts to enhance its performance, the Avrocar remained plagued by instability, pitch problems, and uncontrollable roll and pitch movements. After extensive modifications and testing, including attempts to rework propulsion and control systems, the Avrocar still failed to meet expectations. Its maximum speed was limited, and it exhibited significant instability during flight. Attempts to address these issues ultimately led to the cancellation of the Avrocar project in December 1961. The United States Air Force faced a difficult decision, as Project 1794's escalating costs, technical limitations, and lack of success with the Avrocar prototypes led to its official cancellation. This marked the end of a once promising endeavor to create a revolutionary aircraft with VTOL and high-speed capabilities. Given the limitations of the U-2 and the failure of Project 1794, Lockheed Martin, a renowned aerospace manufacturer behind iconic aircraft like the F-35 Lightning II and the stealthy F-117 Nighthawk, has consistently pushed the boundaries of aviation, unveiled the SR-71 Blackbird, a true marvel of engineering and speed. This aircraft holds the title of the fastest fighter aircraft ever built, and its legacy continues to inspire advancements in aviation technology. Blackbird, which is the fastest fighter aircraft ever built. The SR-71 Blackbird, also known simply as the Blackbird, is one of the most iconic aircraft in aviation history. It was a reconnaissance aircraft developed by the United States Air Force and operated by the CIA from the 1960s through the 1990s. It carried various sensors and cameras to capture high-resolution images and data from hostile territories, and played a crucial role during the Cold War, providing invaluable intelligence. The Blackbird soared where others could only dream. Its wake was a testament to the mental hunger and aspirations of those who dared to dream beyond the confines of convention, and it blurred the line between science fiction and reality. The SR-71 Blackbird was celebrated not only for its iconic design, but also for its extraordinary speed. This remarkable aircraft could maintain cruising speeds that exceeded 3 times the speed of sound, reaching approximately 2,200 miles per hour. Such unparalleled velocity earned it a well-deserved place in history as one of the fastest aircraft ever created. Furthermore, the SR-71 could soar at 85,000 feet or higher altitudes, venturing well into the stratosphere. This high-altitude supersonic combination gave the Blackbird a decisive edge, allowing it to outpace and outmaneuver most enemy defenses and interceptor aircraft. In aerial dominance, the SR-71 Blackbird was a true pioneer, setting new standards for speed and altitude. The Blackbird's sleek and unique design minimized its radar cross-section, making it challenging for enemy radar systems to detect and track. With in-flight refueling, the SR-71 had an impressive range, allowing it to cover vast distances on a single mission. Other UFO-like planes like the Aurora have also been seen tested around Area 51. The saga of Aurora first unfolded in the late 1980s and early 1990s when reports emerged of unusual high-speed aircraft sightings. Witnesses described sonic booms and contrails, unlike conventional planes, giving rise to conjecture about an extraordinary aircraft hidden in the depths of classified projects. The mere mention of Aurora conjured images of an aircraft capable of astonishing hypersonic speeds far beyond the capabilities of known military aircraft. Central to the Aurora legend are its rumored hypersonic capabilities. Believed to travel at speeds exceeding Mach 5 or even Mach 6, Aurora could traverse immense distances within remarkably short time frames. Such extraordinary speed would redefine the boundaries of reconnaissance and surveillance, allowing for swift responses to emerging global threats. Eyewitnesses often recounted unique contrails left in Aurora's wake. These contrails, characterized by a donut on a rope appearance, hinted at an unconventional propulsion system. Speculation abounded regarding advanced propulsion technologies, including scramjet engines and anti-gravity mechanisms. Such innovations would bestow on Aurora unparalleled speed and agility. Aurora's lore frequently revolves around its clandestine missions. Rumors suggest that this enigmatic aircraft serves in surveillance and covert operations, possibly monitoring foreign nations or gathering intelligence. Its purported stealth capabilities would enable it to operate covertly, slipping through the skies unnoticed and undetected. The most perplexing aspect of the Aurora narrative is the shroud of secrecy enveloping it. Government authorities have maintained a steadfast silence, neither confirming nor denying such an aircraft's existence. This silence fuels speculation that Aurora may have been part of a black-budget project, perhaps discontinued or replaced by more advanced technologies. The TR-3, a black triangle, is another mysterious and elusive aircraft subject to countless conspiracy theories and rumors as it was being tested. While it remains officially unconfirmed by any government or military agency, it has captured the imagination of aviation enthusiasts and conspiracy theorists alike. The origins of the TR-3A black triangle can be traced back to the 1980s and 1990s when reports of unidentified flying objects with triangular shapes began to emerge. These sightings often described large, silent, low-flying aircraft with extraordinary maneuverability. Witnesses claimed that this mysterious craft could hover, accelerate rapidly, and make sharp turns that defied the laws of conventional aviation. One of the most significant claims regarding the TR-3A black triangle is that it possesses advanced stealth technology, making it virtually invisible to radar. This alleged stealth capability has led to speculation that the aircraft is used for covert reconnaissance missions, electronic warfare, or other classified operations. Some even suggest it could be a test bed for cutting-edge radar-absorbing materials and technologies. Another intriguing aspect of the TR-3A mythos is its propulsion system. Many conspiracy theories propose that the aircraft is powered by unconventional means, possibly using anti-gravity or electromagnetic propulsion. These speculative propulsion systems are often linked to their reported ability to hover silently and achieve high speeds without producing a sonic boom. The new SR-72 Darkstar is finally ready to be tested. Its journey began not as a blueprint, but as a vision. A mixture of creativity emerged from these initial sparks of imagination. Designing an aircraft like the SR-72 is about breaking speed barriers and understanding every facet of aerodynamics and fluid dynamics, a combination of mathematics and intuition. The heart of the Darkstar's prowess lies in its propulsion, a masterpiece of engineering that seamlessly transitions between conventional turbojet and ramjet propulsion. This is when the engines adapt to the aircraft's velocity, optimizing performance at every phase of flight. Every curve and every contour have a language of their own. Each design choice has a purpose, a meticulous dance between form and function. Engineers carefully crafted the SR-72's framework, but still needed to beautify the aircraft. The SR-72's engine is the pinnacle of power, transforming fuel into a symphony of thrust that makes the aircraft extraordinary. The Darkstar's spirit is encapsulated by velocity, the fundamental component of raw force. This technological marvel uses velocity as its main weapon rather than being constrained by the restrictions of conventional speed. The SR-72's staggering velocity, quantified by its astonishing Mach 10 capability, is more than just a numerical statistic. It is a monumental leap forward, a technological milestone that thrusts humanity into a future once thought to be the realm of science fiction. In a world shackled by geographical constraints, the Dark Star represents a monumental leap in aviation technology, pushing the boundaries of what was previously thought possible. Beyond the awe-inspiring speed that the Dark Star boasts, the aircraft's unparalleled maneuverability truly sets it apart. This is not a matter of luxury or aesthetics. It is a fundamental attribute that spells the difference between life and death. The SR-72 cockpit is an extension of the pilot's mind, a conduit for rapid decisions communicated to the aircraft's responsive design. Here, science converges with art, blurring man and machine and setting the stage for a survival ballet. In this arena, only aviation's virtuosos dare tread. Skilled pilots honed to perfection become conductors of this agility symphony, pushing limits and defying odds. Its maneuverability is a declaration of dominance, a testament that the SR-72 Dark Star reigns supreme in the skies. The laser weapon system, or LAWS, is a laser beam, a precise instrument of destruction that pierces the heavens and annihilates targets with surgical precision. It's a triumph of science and strategy, a tool that harnesses the very essence of light to deliver devastation to those who threaten peace. The LAWS system is not just a weapon, but a major leap in modern warfare doctrine. Traditional defense mechanisms are rendered obsolete when faced with the speed and precision of light-based weaponry. The system generates a high-energy laser beam focused and directed onto targets with extreme precision. The laser's energy is then absorbed by the target, causing damage or destruction. They can be used to neutralize incoming threats, such as missiles or enemy aircraft, by effectively melting or turning off their components. One of the advantages of using LAWS on the SR-72 is its speed of light engagement, allowing for rapid response to threats and minimizing the time needed to neutralize them. Also, laser weapons are more cost-effective and efficient than traditional munitions, as they do not require projectiles and have a virtually unlimited ammunition supply as long as a power source is available. Imagine a scenario where a hostile threat is neutralized before they even approach. The battlefield is defined by microseconds, and victory is measured in the swiftness of light itself. The aviation world has witnessed the emergence of technological marvels that push the boundaries of aerial combat, and one such titan is the SR-71 Blackbird. Renowned for its extraordinary speed, stealth, and reconnaissance capabilities, it has long been the fastest fighter aircraft ever built. However, experts in the field believe that a new challenger has arisen on the horizon, poised to rival this legendary aircraft. The Next Generation Air Dominance Program, also known as NGAD, initiated in 2014 by the United States Air Force, is another stealth addition to the U.S. military arsenal. With an estimated investment of $16 billion, it represents a concerted effort to usher in the era of sixth-generation fighters. The NGAD fighter is designed to outclass its predecessors in every aspect, setting new standards in speed, altitude, stealth, and technological innovation. The NGAD fighter's extraordinary speed, reaching an astonishing 1,800 miles per hour, not only ensures rapid response times, but also allows for swift ingress and egress from hostile airspace, making it a formidable force in aerial combat. With a remarkable flight ceiling of 15 miles, this fighter can operate at altitudes that few adversaries can effectively engage, providing a strategic advantage in the skies. In the realm of stealth technology, the NGAD fighter excels. Its advanced stealth coating renders it virtually invisible to radar detection, making it a formidable challenge for enemy forces to track and target. This quality bestows a substantial edge in any combat scenario, ensuring that the NGAD fighter can operate covertly and strike with precision. What truly distinguishes the NGAD fighter is its integration of cutting-edge artificial intelligence. This AI system endows the fighter with unparalleled autonomy and decision-making capabilities. A standout application of this AI technology is its capacity to control a swarm of drones, enhancing its versatility and combat effectiveness. This AI-driven feature not only enables coordinated and precise drone operations, but also empowers the NGAD fighter with adaptability and rapid response in dynamic combat situations. The NGAD fighter deploys two types of drones under its command. The first type consists of reconnaissance drones equipped with highly precise radars that can track any movement within a radius of 46 square miles. This remarkable coverage area allows for detecting any threat or adversary within a significant distance. When strategically positioned along the perimeter, these drones create an impenetrable zone spanning nearly 3,000 miles, effectively blanketing vast areas with surveillance capabilities. Once an aircraft or threat is identified within this extensive surveillance net, the NGAD fighter can swiftly engage and deploy the second type of drone. These drones are equipped with advanced weaponry and exhibit exceptional accuracy. When directed toward a target, they can eliminate it within seconds, making them formidable offensive assets in any combat scenario. The synergy between the NGAD fighter and its swarm of drones is a testament to the evolution of aerial combat tactics. The integration of AI enhances the fighter's situational awareness and extends its reach and lethality. This combination of speed, stealth, and autonomous drone control positions the NGAD fighter as a formidable force on the modern battlefield. The stakes are incredibly high for the SR-72 and the next-generation air dominance program. If these cutting-edge aircraft pass their tests, they have the potential to redefine the future of aviation. The SR-72's unmatched speed and altitude capabilities could revolutionize reconnaissance and strike missions, while NGAD's AI-driven capabilities and drone-swarming technology could reshape air warfare. The success of these projects would solidify the United States' air dominance and set new standards for global aviation, marking a pivotal moment in the evolution of aerial combat and intelligence gathering. Thanks for watching. While you are still here, click the link on your screen to check out more videos. See you there.